Today we will talk about different types of digital marketing. Number 1. SEO or search engine optimization. Number 2. ACEM or search engine marketing. Number 3. Social media marketing. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, etc. Number 4. Email marketing. Number 5. Content marketing. Number 6. Affiliate marketing. Number 7. E-commerce marketing. Number 8. Inbound marketing. Number 9. Display advertising. Number 10. CPM marketing. A complete video will be made one by one about the different types of digital marketing. If you like the video, of course, subscribe, like, comment, share.